Hello, I'm Michelle. Welcome to Tips and Tricks of how to use the Illumination Station. First, we'll learn how to turn on the Illumination Station. You'll find your OB remote and you'll push the red button. You'll hear a beep, then you'll hear the fan running. If you do not, reach up here and flip the power switch at the top. There's a little toggle switch there. The first time you turn on the Illumination Station, it will take about 8 to 10 minutes. So be patient because it's going to be worth it. Now that your Illumination Station is powered on, you want to check and make sure your mirror is pointing straight down and the motion sensor is also pointing straight down. After you have those set, you're going to use your OB remote, scroll over to Settings and press OK. The very first setting is your play mode. You want to scroll over, go down to Dynamic Surface and hit OK. Dynamic Surface is the same as the sand. Set play mode OK, calibrate OK, and wait till it adjusts. You will see the checkers, the black and white checkered, the geometric shapes. Then the screen will do a few adjustments. Wait a little longer. 2 more seconds. And now it has adjusted. You can hit the home button. Now you will see your sand games down below. If you want to check the calibration, the easiest one to check your calibration is dinosaurs. You want to tab down, scroll over to dinosaurs, hit OK. The dinosaurs will begin to load. You'll see the dinosaur bones. And let's check the calibration. Let's build a mountain. And you should see a volcano. If your volcano does not erupt, give us a call. We'll help you calibrate it. It's important to note that each game plays for 5 minutes. Then it will automatically rotate. If you don't want this, you can change the schedule time in the app. How to change your Illumination Station to floor games. First, press the brown lever and rotate the Illumination Station around. Next, adjust the mirror out away from the table. Now you'll need to calibrate it for the floor. To do this, go to Settings, hit OK, scroll over, hit OK, OK, calibrate. Now you'll want to wait. It will calibrate. It'll blink a few times. It's adjusting the height, getting the floor measurements. It's complete. Okay, hit the home button. Now I have 50 floor games in my playlist. Do you need to connect to the internet? The answer is no. You can play these games without the internet. But If you want our updates, you might want to connect monthly just to see if there's any updates available. Connecting to the internet. Scroll over to Settings, hit OK, tab down once to the second tab where it says Internet. Here you can connect to the internet with an Ether cord, or you can connect wireless by entering your password. Scroll over. Here you will see your available networks. Scroll down to the network you want, hit OK, and enter your password. Once you've done that, you will see updates if we have any. One question we get asked often is, how often should I turn on and off my illumination station? We recommend leaving it on all week. Just cut it off on the weekends. It will be fine.